if I hold this up to the edge, oh, that's not gonna. Just
do you want to?
Can you trace the, once I get this in position, can you just trace the top edge? What did this catch? I just realized I'm cutting the wrong side. Well, shoot. We'll make it extra tall. So I'm going to try to initially staple it down, and then we'll hammer some serious staples in later. But for now I'm just using that. I think it's a bunch of sharp edges. I should have worn a shirt I don't like. Okay, so I'm almost all the way across, and I've got a slight gap. So I will probably cut another strip and just go over right there after I do the other side. Okay, yeah, it's windy. We're going to switch gears for a little bit. Let's finish the front door. So, what I'm planning to do here is put a ramp underneath that door that leads down to the ground, so it's easy for the chickens to get in and out of. Now, originally I was thinking to use a sheet of plywood for this, but I've got some of the 4x6s still sitting around, and I'm kind of wondering if I can just hinge a 4x6 onto that. I think I can. Well, let's go grab some hinges and try it. And screws, which means I have to go all the way back to the garage to get screws. Blech. Okay, so the idea is I'm going to screw this underneath the chicken coop, like that. And then the door will come down slightly and the hinge will just kind of hold it all together. And hopefully none of the chickens run in the hole. I have no idea if this wood is ground contact rated, but it's been sitting on the ground for months and looks fine, so we're going with it. Can you give me a hand? Down. Hopefully this works. And we got a chicken ramp.
That's cool.
Yeah. This was open when I came out here. I'm hoping it closes at night. We should probably check like first thing Sunday morning when it's still dark out to see if that's closed.
Oh. You have the timer, right?
I don't know how this thing works. I think it's solar driven to detect how bright it is out here, but we need to check that.
All good?
Yeah. And I'm going to hammer in the staples for the side pieces. I'm tired of putting in nails. These are actually kind of annoying because one side's like half the time one side's longer than the other, but not the other half the time. I'm gonna go get some dinner and call it a week. Happy Sabbath. Finish this on Sunday, hopefully including the roof. Okay, it is Sunday afternoon. I'm gonna finish putting in the staples to hold the hardware cloth and then hopefully get at least part of the roof on. It was a busy morning. I think we're going to call that good enough. We have the sides up. Next, we're going to be framing the roof, but that's on the next video, which is going to be recorded in about 30 seconds.